The equities market continued trading activities for the month of June, maintaining the positive posture as NSE ASI appreciated by 0.10% amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at -5.34%. Welcome to this edition of the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 25,407.96 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.254 trillion naira in 4,659 deals. At the close of trading for the day, investors gained 12.79 billion naira as market recorded 18 gainers to 19 losers. Nemet International Pharmaceuticals, Skyway Aviation Handling Company and Presco were top gainers for equity, while PZ Cousins Nigeria, C&I Leasing and Afro Media were among the top losers. FBN Holdings, Nigerian Brewery and Guaranty Trust Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.89 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 387 naira 14 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 387 naira 68 kobo to a dollar and closed at 386 naira 33 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 685.81 basis points with a market capitalization of 503.77 billion. The volume of shares traded was 127,091 and 33.95 million in terms of value traded in 5 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the key highlights from yesterday, the Federal Inland Revenue Service on June 2, 2020, extended the deadline for waiver of penalty and interest on outstanding tax liabilities arising from desk reviews, tax audits, and investigation to Tuesday, 30th June 2020. Furthermore, the FIRS has expanded the scope of outstanding tax liabilities covered in the earlier notice to include liabilities from self-assessment and the approved installment payment plans under the Voluntary Assets and Income Declaration Scheme. Taxpayers in default of the approved VAIDS installment payment plan are encouraged to take advantage of the extension or risk withdrawal of the waivers granted to them on approval of their VAIDS applications, such as waiver of P&I and exemption from tax audit and investigation. Also, Lafarge Africa plc held its 61st annual general meeting in Lagos yesterday. The 2019 financial year performance showed significant improvement with a 92% growth in profit after tax by recording 15.5 billion naira from 8.12 billion naira in 2018. For the key market and economic events to watch today, the Economy and Politics discourse will explore repositioning the Nigerian aviation industry with Mr. Chris Azu Aligbe, CEO Belujane Consults by 9 a.m. Also, the Market Review program will discuss assessing interventions for MSMEs in Nigeria with Mr. Solomon Aderoju, Executive Member, Nasme Lagos State by 10 a.m. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday Corona Watch program. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.